How to backup and restore sticky notes in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can backup and restore sticky notes in Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, we will see how we can backup. For that, you have to open up your run command. Press Windows plus R key in your keyboard. Once you see this run prompt, head towards %localappdata, click on OK. Once you're here, now you have to go to the packages. Click on any one of the folder, press P in your keyboard, go to packages. On the packages, now search for Microsoft Sticky Notes. So you can again press on any one of the folder, press M in your keyboard. Now head towards Microsoft Sticky Notes, then click and open it up. Once you're here, now go to the local state. Under this folder, you will see a file named as plom.sqlite. So you have to copy this file. This is a database that contains all of your sticky notes. Now, to back up this file, you have to copy it and then paste it in your safe location like any of the external drive or cloud backup. So you could paste it in any of the safe location. And in this way, you have backed up your sticky notes. Now, if you want to restore your sticky notes in Windows 11, make sure that the sticky notes is not running on the background. If so, you have to go and check it from the Task Manager. Open up Task Manager and check for the sticky notes. If it is running, make sure that you end the task for sticky notes. Search for sticky notes, and if it is running, make sure to end the task. After that, now to restore it, again you have to navigate the same folder. So follow the same steps to get into this folders as previous. Once you're here, now what you can do is you can paste your backup plom.sqlite file here. So if you have previously backed up the plom.sqlite in your safe location, what you have to do is you have to paste it right under this folder and it will ask you to replace the existing file. Then you have to allow it. After that, you can relaunch your sticky notes, and once you open it up, all of your notes will be restored. That's it. That's how you can backup and restore your sticky notes on Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.